I might have done one of the stupidest things or the smartest things I've ever done in my entire life. What is up, my peoples? We back again with another gem, kinda. So let's rewind a little bit, right? I love passive income. I think everybody loves passive income. The fact that you can make money while doing the bare minimum, sleeping, walking around, scratching your butt, taking a dump, eating food, praying, you feel me? You just making money by doing nothing. That is the active passive income. Going to sleep and waking up richer than you were before. Everybody loves some passive income. Nobody really likes working for money, if we're being honest here. We all love money just like being made for us. So if you guys did not know, my crypto portfolio is probably it is my biggest savings investment portfolio I have. And I was just thinking one day, I was like, yo, all this money is in crypto, right? And it's there, it's growing, you feel me? Ethereum to the moon, ADA to the moon, you feel me? Everything to the moon, but I want to do more. And this is like I'm always thinking long term when I hold crypto. I'm never really thinking, okay, this is going to be a profit I'm gonna take every week. Like I'm gonna take profit out of my portfolio every week. I'm just not that type of person. I'm the type of person who's like, okay, I'm gonna hold this, I'm gonna keep holding it, I'm gonna keep hodling it, you feel me? I'm just a hodler, that's why I got hodl tatted across my chest. So I never really take profit from it, except for when I bought the Tesla, which I guess was a big take profit. But on a consistent basis, I do not take profit. But I wanted to figure out a way, I knew there had to be a way to make passive income on my cryptocurrency. So y'all know what I did. When I really want something, I'm gonna go get it. I'm the type of person, if I say I'm gonna do something, I'm literally gonna do it. I don't know, it's just how I am. I hate being proved wrong. Like I hate when I tell people, like if I say to y'all, I'm about to make $1 million tomorrow. I hate telling people things or saying things out loud and then I don't do it, because then everybody look at me like, oh, you're such an idiot, you're such a liar, you didn't do what you said you're gonna do. I hate that. So every time I say I'm gonna do something, especially if I say it in front of other people, I always end up doing it. So I said all that to say, I sat down a couple days, probably a week, and was just deep studying, deep searching the dark web, well, deep searching the web, trying to find out how I can make good passive income from my cryptocurrency. Now, in case you guys don't know what type of research I did, if you don't watch my videos, I'm really big on YouTube. Like watching YouTube video. I watch literally any problem in the world, I can solve it by just watching hours and hours. And I watch probably like 100 million thousand hours worth of YouTube videos trying to figure out how I can make some great passive income with my crypto. Because it's just like sitting there, you feel me? I'm like, I need to make some passive income. I want to get paid from it while my portfolio was growing. And I found the perfect solution. I'm going to share with y'all in a little second. Just stay tuned, like the video, it's finna be a banger. When I do this, what is this? Like the video, it's finna be a frickin' okay. So in my days and weeks and years of researching, right, I came across something called, I came across a bunch of different ways to make passive income from crypto that I really was not aware of, that I didn't know was I cannot talk. What's wrong with my English today? But I came across a bunch of different ways you can make passive income. I will be making a video on all the different ways that I found for passive income. This right here is probably my favorite one so far, and when I've actually started doing, like I said, you finna see, I kind of just went all in, which I don't know if it was smart or super smart. So basically what I came upon, now we're in the Bible, right? What I came across, it's called cryptocurrency loaning. And basically what it is, if you don't know about the blockchain and everything like that, I should make a real in-depth video what the blockchain is, because a lot of people are confused about it. I can break it down pretty simply, sort of, kind of. If y'all want that, like the video right now. I ain't finna do that all over. But like the video right now and I'll make a video on that. But basically with the blockchain and whole DeFi system, it's just a bunch of different things that can be done with cryptocurrency. It's a whole system in itself. It's not just these coins that you can make money on. It's a whole system, it's a whole operating system. It's just a big project. But there are now, well, for the past couple of years there has been, but it's getting kind of popular now from what I've noticed. There are now ways you can earn interest on your money for it literally just staying there. There's staking. If you don't know what that is, that'll be inside the video that I make about passive income. There's staking, but that locks your money in for a certain amount of time, and I personally did not want to do that. Like I said, there's a bunch of different passive income ways, but I like this one the best because literally you get paid for just holding your money in a certain wallet, right? So instead of you having it in Coinbase, you would have it in another system that'll pay you interest on literally just having your money in there. You don't have to lose any money. I mean, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to, your money isn't stuck in there. You can move it out whenever you want. And I was just like, wow, this is beautiful. I'm like, this is too good to be true. So I started researching, and it's not too good to be true. It's lit. So basically how these companies work or businesses or systems work is they're using just like how a bank would use your money. Let's say you put $100 into the bank, and you know banks give out loans. So let's say you put $100 into your bank account and somebody comes along, oh, I need $50 to buy a new car, right? So the bank would give them 50 of your $100 because the bank don't have no money. Well, in the beginning, well, they do have money. Just for example, the bank don't got no money, okay? You put $100 in there, so they take 50 of your $100 to loan out to the other person, and they would charge interest on the other person borrowing the money out, taking the loan out, and therefore they would have a little bit of money to be able to pay you back for keeping your money inside your bank account. That's why these days you do get a little tiny bit of interest for keeping your money inside a bank account, but it's literally nothing. It's like 0.0001%. It's something stupid, worthless, you feel me? But the way it works with cryptocurrencies is almost the same. It's technically is the same, except you get better interest rates. So you keep your crypto inside of this website, or there's a bunch of different websites, I'll get into that later, but you keep your money in this account, and they'll pay you interest on it just for you having your money in there, because then they're able to give out loans using your money. Well, everybody on the website that has deposited money in there, now they're able to use that money to loan out money to other people. Now, depending on what coin you have deposited in there, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, Poly, Matic and Poly is the same thing, ain't it? Literally, depending on what coin you put in there, that makes the amount of percentage they pay out vary. So the percentages can vary from, I think, like 2% all the way up to more than 14% annually, which I did make a video about the dividend investing, and I did say that between 4 to 6 is the typical percentage annually that you'll get for dividend investing with stocks, versus this you can get up to 14%. Like one of the coins I have in there earns 14.99% annually. It really depends on what coin you have in there, how much you will earn. So there are a bunch of different platforms you can use for this type of loan program, well, that pays you interest. There's AAVE, which is AAVE. There is Coin Loan. There is Nexo. There is BlockFi. There's a bunch of different ones, but the one that I've researched and I think is the best one for me right now, this is not like a paid, I don't get paid for this video, I'm just trying to put y'all on game, you feel me? But the one I use is called Celsius. It's literally on screen right over there. You guys can check it out. I think if you guys sign up, you can use my link. Didn't I just say I'm not getting paid? Now I'm promoting the link. This is crazy. But if you use the link down inside the description below, if you sign up and deposit $400 or transfer $400 from your Coinbase or any other wallet you have, you'll get $40 worth of whatever crypto you put in there. So if you put $400 worth of Bitcoin in there, you get $40 worth of Bitcoin, you feel me? That's just a little come up if y'all want it. If y'all don't want it, you don't have to do it. But like I said, I use Celsius. I like it for the fact that it's a bunch of different things that I personally like over. One of the top ones that people use is BlockFi, but BlockFi had a $700 million mistake the other day where they accidentally gave, well, I guess it was a good mistake for some people, because some people got $700 million worth of Bitcoin. Some people got $10 million worth of Bitcoin. It was just a big mistake, and that just made me not really trust BlockFi. Plus, BlockFi does not pay out as much interest rates as, or their interest rates are not as high as Celsius. But Celsius has low fees. You have unlimited withdrawals. So if you want to take your money out, you could do it all the time. BlockFi only lets you do it once per week or once per month, I believe that is. There's no lock-in time, so you don't have to keep your coins in there for 10 years to earn some interest on it. It's literally, when you put it in, the next week you're gonna get paid. And that's another great thing I love about it, because unlike BlockFi or these other ones that pay you per month, these Celsius pays you literally every single week. Every Monday I get paid interest on my coins. So what that means is that you get to compound your money faster, because instead of getting paid every month and then that compounding, now you're getting paid every week, and it compounding and compounding and compounding and compounding. So I literally just started using this platform. I deposited the money literally a week and a half ago, so I got paid my first interest amount on Monday, which was 2 days ago. yesterday? It was yesterday. But I will keep you guys updated. At the end of the month, I will show you guys how much I made on just from investments only, or just from, not investment, just from interest only, having it inside the account. I'll kind of go through a whole review, how I like it at the end of the month and everything like that, so y'all don't even worry, just stay tuned for that. But Celsius has a bunch of different other things that I personally like, why I chose over BlockFi and Exodus Gains and all this different other stuff. Like they're working on some self-insurance program that'll help keep your money safe. Let's say they hack or something like that. They're working on some type of insurance program where you won't lose all of your funds, you won't lose your funds at all, which is great. I didn't see that in any of the other ones that I have researched. Also, their CEO is pretty open. They have a YouTube channel and he has a, I think they call it an AMA, Ask Me Anything. It's like a live Q&A or something like that. So he's really open about the project as it is. Seems like a cool dude. I've watched some of the AMAs. Well, I've watched like 5 of them and they're an hour long. I told y'all I put hours into this stuff before I put $100,000 into it. Literally, I put if you ain't seen the screenshots probably, I literally put $100,000 into it. I think right now it's at 102,000, so I did make 2,000 just from having it in there. And that's not from me getting interest, that's just the coins went up that I had in there. But that's really the end of the video. Hope you guys were able to kind of get something from it. If you guys want to sign up for it, like I said, you could use the, can I speak please English? Would you like to work today or you want to wait till tomorrow? You can use the link in the description down below. You deposit some money if you buy some money either through the app, or if you just transfer some from your ready wallet that you have on Coinbase or any other wallet that you have, just deposit $400 into their website and you will get $40. I will also get $40. Everybody eats. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, stay tuned for it at the end of the month or next month, probably the end of the month that's coming up. Just in a month or so, I'm gonna give y'all a review on how much I made just with the interest itself, and also a review on how I like the operating system, how everything was, how smooth it was for withdrawals, everything like that. I'm gonna let y'all know, so stay tuned for that. Like the video, and good luck on all your trades.